What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, this is your market wrap-up video, and as you see, I'm a little different scenery than normally, okay? I'm waiting in line for pizza, man. That's how we roll on Friday nights in my household. Pizza and a movie, and I hang out with my wife and kids, okay? I tell you guys all the time, you got to do something other than trading, and make sure you guys are spending a lot of time doing hobbies you like, hanging out with friends you like, and hanging out with your loved ones, your family, things of that nature. But what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button. I need you guys to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab. All sorts of tools and tidbits to make you a more successful trader. The goal is always to be better prepared today than we were yesterday, and we stick to that goal, man, all the time. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me, and let's go to war together, team. Hey, Traders War Room wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. You are responsible for every decision you make. Have fun, be cautious, but always, always go to war. Listen, y'all, my bot is starting to get recognized some other places, been getting some DMs and getting some notices that people are purchasing my bot and putting in server. If you want my bot in your server, man, get at your boy and let's talk business. All right, team, you know what time it is. Let's get into the buzz report. What was hot and what was not in the stock market. Markets were on fire today, green across the board, and that 10-year bond yield that we were talking about last week definitely seen some lower levels. Market movers and shakers, oh yeah, you guys already know the deal with Pfizer, man. We smashed that play. Also some other ones that were moving, SQQQ. We had some top gainers. ASRT was killing it, and then some top losers. We saw BRTX took a big drive down, and so did Blue. And you know I got to highlight this play, man, because we made a killing off it. Look at the timestamp. That's when we pushed it out. We were able to average down to about 32 cents a contract. And boom, there was the exit, man. Made a killing. And I saw some people even with higher exits than me, man, making theirs in the $2 range, which that is a fire trade right there. And you guys can take that all the way to the bank. All right, let's get into some news, right? Wall Street books record weekly gains. Strong Pfizer. Exclusive, Italy opens new probe into Boeing 787. EV startup Riven. Man, I'm interested in that Riven. U.S. Senate bill would limit big tech mergers. And we got Peloton's value drops, man. Big dump. All right, I'm going to leave this here so you guys can pause and take a look at this. But basically, man, Wall Street had a big records on a lot of different companies doing their thing, okay? And Pfizer took off, man. Tons of people were interested in this COVID-19 pill form instead of the shot. So big boost on that particular industry. Moderna took a little dump from what I saw too. So definitely Pfizer was the winner of this week. And another story that piqued my interest about the Senate bill would limit big tech mergers. That has me interested, and I'm curious to see kind of how the big tech, businesses, the real juggernaut companies would do with this particular limit. So interesting to see, and definitely we'll have to pay attention to it. And of course, they're highlighting Amazon, as everyone well knows. All right, here's your sector performance. Remember, we don't just look at the 1 day, we look at the 5 day, and we see that a lot of stuff was up for 5 days. Consumer discretionary, infotech, materials. But you know that I always like the underdog, man. So you definitely know I'm paying attention to financials, utilities, and energy next week since they were down on the 5 days. So definitely have my eye on that. Healthcare too, man. Healthcare, that's kind of in the middle ground. It could go either way. We could have a big healthcare week. And with the big push in Pfizer, of course, you saw Myrna get definitely some love, okay, because it dipped pretty good, okay. NVDA definitely got some love. Peloton, it dumps so hard that you got a lot of people that are in at that lower level, man. Peloton's kind of like a cult type of thing. Pfizer, Lucid, Tesla, Airbnb, Square, AMC, and Ford, man. All the big orders filled by Fidelity customers. But remember, this is just one broker out there. If you checked your big time brokers and things of that nature, you'd see similar results. And because I just wanted to do a little check on what I just said with Fidelity, we go ahead and pull a little run real fast. And we noticed that, yeah, while there's some differences, a lot of the big ticket names, they're still on there for the calls versus the puts and things of that nature. So definitely we got the big names out there. They got the money flowing. Those are ones that are trending. And we follow the big money. We like to also follow the trending stocks as well. All right, now let's cover in our alerts, man. Let's see what we won. Let's see what we lost. Let's check out how this week closed out and see how much we're up. All right, guys, and here's the deal with the alerts. Man, I can talk about all the winners we got out there, but, you know, we got to talk about the losers. We got to keep it 100, and so we're going to start out with the losers, all right? Here's the 6 contracts that we had that expired worthless, and PLTR, Snap, and PayPal, those are disappointing losses because we averaged down as low as we could go, and we thought they were going to keep up the momentum and come into where we could make some profit, but they just couldn't keep up with it. Now, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and NEO, those were lottos anyways. The whole idea behind a lotto is it either makes money or it loses money, and these definitely weren't able to make money today, and so these are our big losses for the week. But as I always say, as long as you're making more in the end than you lose, man, you're doing something right, and we are killing it in style, okay? Traders War Room, we are doing something right out there, and I know that it's working because I get tons of love from you guys, the viewers, and you guys are hitting me up all the time, asking questions and giving me love and shout outs and letting me know that you guys are making money. So let's blow this up so you can see what type of trades we got in and our running totals as far as money is concerned. All right, so let me give you the color code scheme here, okay? Red, we lost money. Green, we made money. Purple, those were either trimming or runners. So some of the trimmers we might still be in if it's a swing trade, but some of the runners were ones that we initially sold out, but we had a couple contracts left to run and we made some money, okay? Now the blues, we're swinging into next week. Now, you guys can look at this, blow it up. You see everything I got, and man, I got all the ins, I got all the outs, things of that nature. But really, it comes down to dollars and cents. So let's see what we made for the week. All right, and here's the breakdown, okay? So 39 total trades. We sold 30. We're swinging 9. We got a total profit of $1,038. We got a total loss of $151. The difference is $887 taken home to the bank. We got 21 wins. We got 9 losses. That brings us to a 70% win rate. And I do want to highlight the purple. Take a note of this, okay? $520 came from trimming or runners, okay? Now, I tell you guys all the time, secure profit when it's there, okay? That's trimming. And if you got extra ones and you got extra contracts that you want to gamble on a little bit, those are the runners, okay? We made a huge come up on trimming and runners. So definitely put that into your arsenal, man. You guys can make a killing if you leave a few contracts left to run and catch a big jump, or if you start trimming when you're riding the wave up or riding the wave down, depending on whether you're in a call or a put. All right, team, let's quit talking about what we did this week and let's look into next week, okay? We got another market coming open on Monday and we need to be ready. So let's look to see what we got rocking for next week and see if we can get our strategy moving forward. All right, guys, I haven't given up on Snap yet, man. Check the red line. That's our bottom level support, all right? The top blue line, that's our top level resistance. Now, I want you to pay attention to that orange line. That's both our intra support and resistance that we care about, okay? Now, we need to pay attention to that because Snap can easily pop above the top orange line, which is over there at about $53.28, and it could definitely drop below the $52.81. We have to pay attention, okay? My opinion is if it closes above one of those lines, it's going to make a run to that direction, okay? So definitely paying attention to Snap next week. All right, same thing with Uber, man. In between those orange lines, that's our potential window that we want to see happen, okay? We make a break above that 47.67, we're going to probably go up towards the top blue line. We start making bottom movements and we close below that 46.61, then we're looking towards the downward level. But I like Uber moving in. I'm bullish on this next week. I think we're going to make money on our contract. Now, this was a different play, okay? It wasn't as trendy as some of the other ones, but OXY, man, it started to have some buzz and things of that nature. We got to put on this play, and I do think, look at the chart, man. It looks like it's, you know, coming down and spiking up and then coming down and spiking up, but it's not making higher highs, and it's making higher, and it's making lower lows, okay? That tells me that we're going downward next week, and that's why we got to put on this one, and I feel confident about us moving down past that $33 range, and we're already making money on this trade, so I believe that we're going to probably make a lot more come next week, and I wouldn't be surprised if this tanks hard going into the morning bell on Monday. All right, and last trade we're going to talk about on this video, DraftKings, okay? You got your top level blue. Now, it's not the very tip top, but it's a recent top, okay? You got your bottom red, and we got our area in the orange. I like this thing moving towards the higher orange part. And moving on, we got a $50 call on this one. I think we're going to be just fine, and I think we're going to start making some money come opening bell on Monday. And DraftKings, man, I got a lot of hope in this. A lot of people thought this was going to do something this week, but that's why we pushed this one out a week so that we could end up catching a little bit of the volatility since they had earnings, and we're going to see what it does. And I think we're going to do fairly well come Monday morning and into next week. So this one I got high hopes for. DraftKings, very bullish on. Now, you know how we rock, man. It's not just us, man. We got a team out there pushing out the info, networking, sharing, growing, and learning together. I call it the Market Coalition. And we added a couple new faces to the Market Coalition. I want to talk about them right now. All right, exclusive trading, man. They hit me up. They wanted my bot. So if you guys are part of exclusive trading over there, you will see the Chuck Fu trading bot over there posting alerts just like I do on all the other platforms. So exclusive trading, here's your shout out. There's their Discord. Go check them out. See what they're about. And Aloha Analytics, man. They got a lot of bots on this particular server, and the people that run this server are pretty down to earth, and they answer their DMs and things of that nature. So definitely go to that Discord, check them out. If you want a bot on your server, hopefully you come get my bot. Holler at your boy if you do, but there's tons of other stuff over there. So check out Aloha Analytics. And the Old Faithful, you guys know I be rocking with these people all day long and been doing it for a while. Dedicated Investors, my boy Brendan, Crazy Machete over there. Big shout out. Nexpert is over there too. Definitely go check out Dedicated Investors. And the Chris Sane Discord, all right? We got Chart Zaddy over there. Mario's over there, man. We're doing good things in that pro room. Come check us out over there on the Chris Sane Discord. And of course, got to highlight my own server, man. This is where it all started, man. This is my dream come true. My team over there, man, we are rocking it hard. And you guys, the members, the loyal fans that are with us, man, you guys are coming along with us on the journey, man. And you guys make us want to do great things. Now, at Traders War Room, we got to remember, we look at the stock market like it's a war zone. So if you come over to us, man, we're battle-minded, battle-focused, okay? We're attacking, destroying, and conquering the stock market, man. We're doing it together as a team, and we're definitely engaged, and we want to learn, grow, and share together as a community. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war.